Hey, it's Rafe Palmer, SCG Divorce Law in Chicago, answering your divorce questions. And this one from the Illinois Divorce Support Network private Facebook group, link in bio. Free to join, anonymous to post. We answer your questions. This question basically was talking about negotiating a settlement in a divorce case, and the person said, well, what does a lawyer do, or how does a lawyer help you in a case like this? And I can think of multiple ways there's help. One is the attorney can assess your chances of success and your likely outcomes in a divorce case. So give you an idea based on all their experience where this case is going to come out in terms of division of assets, parenting situation based on the facts, and your support situation. And we can run numbers in our software to come up with likely results for child support and maintenance. Can you do some of these things yourself? Yes. It just like working on remodeling your own house, you can do that too, but it's easier to get a professional who's been doing this for 20 or 30 years to give you some answers on these things. Next is helping you with negotiations, because we're experienced in negotiating and negotiating strategy. So that helps, and then you're not the person negotiating, your attorney's negotiating for you, which can be a big help. Next, cost-benefit analysis. We know how much these things cost to pursue all the way through mediation or collaborative law or trial if you go through litigation. So we can give you an idea of how much is it going to cost, how long is it going to take, versus what your potential outcomes are, to help you make an intelligent decision about whether you should settle, what your offer should be, whether you should accept an offer, and so on. So that life experience is very valuable and not something that's easy to Google or ask ChatGPT about. Then finally, the paperwork. The paperwork, even in this high-tech age, is still a giant pain in the butt, and it's not easy, and courts haven't made it easy. Courts are still operating about 25 years in the past with their technology. Even the electronic filing is annoying and a hassle, and even for us law firms. So, sorry, that's just the way it is. You're talking about state governments, and despite the fact we have electronic filing and technology, there's still a lot of paperwork and details to do to get a divorce done. So an attorney can help with that quite a bit, make that much easier. And working with an attorney doesn't have to be very expensive. Some attorneys will sell their time by the hour and just consult with you rather than require full-on representation. So look at a number of options to get an attorney to help you with resolving your case. It doesn't have to be full-on representation. Thanks for the question. Please keep them coming. I'm Rayford Palmer, STG Divorce Law, Chicago Divorce Lawyer.